It's a new 2020 Genesis G80. This G80 brings intelligent technology and robust performance, all in an elegant package. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, remote engine start smart device, hands-free liftgate, twin-turbo V6 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system, dual-zone climate control, four-corner auto-leveling suspension, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.